Hey guys, this is Shankar and welcome to another day of my preparation. So today I went through the subject computer networks, and the reference book which I'm using is Computer Networking, a top-down approach, written by Kuros and Ross. So the edition which I'm using is 6th edition and it is available on the internet. So the authors are KURYC, Kuros, whatever we may spell, Ross or Ross, ROSS, Ross. So these are the two authors and a little bit review on this book, guys. So this book contains a lot of unnecessary stuff. I mean, important stuff, but not related to GATE. So I I'm marking them as unimportant or unrelated to GATE. So this book is totally good, that theoretically, and this book, while reading this book, the person may require a lot of patience and focus while reading this book because the terminology in which they are using and the terms, because you know what, computer networking subject have a lot of terms, the words you might think which require utmost focus while deducing the concept and coming to a conclusion. So this book is good and I can recommend this book if you have any time. So this book consists of around 800 pages, and if you can read around 3 to 400 or maximum 500 pages, it's more than enough. So I think I have read around 400 pages or something. I think I have read around, yeah, exactly first 5 chapters, that is 511 pages, and coming to the 6th chapter, wireless and mobile networks and multimedia networking, security in computer networks, network management. So these are the following chapters which I haven't gone through them. So that's it about this book, guys. So I started it early morning 9:30. So coming to the day schedule. So because I started at early morning 9:30, and there are some concepts which I have need to complete today. So until afternoon I have read the last topic regarding the networking layer, and after that I have completed the short notes preparation because unlike previous year short notes, you know what, my previous year short notes is a bit clumsy, and I'm not good at computer networks last year preparation during my last year preparation. So this year I have focused too much on computer networks, I mean at this time, and I need to grow more because I haven't completed this full-fledgedly. So I have read this book and I have made a short notes using my previous short notes too, and I have done a few PYQs from application layer, transport, and a bit of network layer, and I have left IP addressing concepts. I mean, I have not yet studied them, and I have gone through the data link and physical layer. So I have completed all these PYQs, and that's it. It's already 5:50, 5:51 exactly, and I haven't attempted any tests yet because by the time I have completed you know what the book and preparing short notes, and after going through a little bit of PYQs, I was tired a lot, and you know what, I have been exhausted, to be frank, totally speaking, because I need to make a short notes more clearly and in a very well structured format way compared to other subjects. And there are few topics which are not in GATE this year, as you know, but I have prepared and gone through those topics because I was primarily focusing on the PSC examinations or something, because so I don't want to miss these topics, or because they may help in while giving the interview. So that's it, guys. So I completed all the necessary topics, and so today the cycle 1 gets completed. So I gone through the COA, DLE, CD, data structures, C programming, algorithms, OS, and today computer network. So total 8 subjects got completed, and upon the main focus on the main object of the cycle 1 is to write a short notes and get used to the tests and the strategies which I want to implement. So those are all completed, and the objective of cycle 2 is to get used with the short notes. I mean, the short notes which I have prepared, I have to do a regular revision daily, early morning. So that's the was the objective of cycle 2. So short notes revision daily with consistency, along with the completion of ACE topic wise tests. Previously in the cycle 1 I have completed the practice topic wise tests, and in cycle 2 I'm going to focus on the topic wise tests. And during the cycle 1 what I have learned is I need to make my short notes, I mean not short notes, I have to make my rough work during the tests should be much more clearer. uh, that's it. No, and I have to revise short notes before giving an examination. That's point number 2. And yeah, silly mistakes. While dealing with the MSQs and NATs, I have to check the answer what they have asked and what I am entering. So that's the most important. That's the high first most silly mistake I'm doing and losing my marks. So these are the things I have kept in my mind, and I have a few concepts like okay. So until now I have completed COA and OS and CN. For these three subjects I have completed the reference books, and in cycle 2 I will be going for the you know what reference book for the subject CD. You know what, CD is a very easy subject. I mean the syllabus is very short and it's a scoring subject, but as I do have a little bit of time, so I want to go through the book and I want to know uh, at what level the book might help me. And the book I'm using is the famously called name Dragon Book. So the name Dragon Book for the compiler design, which I will be using. So I will give you a review on that. So I mean not a review, I'll just tell you in a short note after reading that book. So those are the objectives of cycle 2. Complete the compiler design textbook and work on the topic wise tests of ACE and consistent revision with the short notes. So and there are some topics from operating systems, because I mean operating systems and COA, there are some topics which I have left behind the lectures or the the book reading, etc., because I thought those topics are unmuch and important, but now I have to focus on those topics. So by the end of the cycle 2 I need to complete those topics too. So that's it guys. So those are my plans for cycle 2 and cycle 1, which I have completed today. So if you have any suggestions, comments, seniors, parallels and juniors, please let me know. Thank you and bye.